back to another video. So I've got my camera up really high today because something I've not done for a long time is unbox a new lamp. I really like this one as well, guys. It looks like a good one. It's got, I think it's rose gold chrome. So this is off Amazon. It's BQ Naxbey, I think that's the brand, BQ V3. I'm thinking, if I remember rightly, I think it's 180 watt. See if it says it inside. So I'm just going to open it. Yeah, this is off Amazon. I'll show you the lamp I'm currently using. And there's nothing wrong with this lamp. I absolutely love it. So this is the lamp I've been using for probably best part of a year. And I absolutely love it. You can't see the timer on camera, but it's just a little touch button one. And I absolutely love this lamp. It's been a brilliant little lamp. But I've got a new one nevertheless. These ones are not available no more either. So I will swap the link out of my description box and put this new one in instead. That's if it works alright. We're going to test it today. So let me get it out. So does it tell me in here what power it is? 168 watt. It is 168 watts. So it's got 42 lights. Anyway, yeah, let's go. So mine obviously comes with a UK plug. I do prefer these that you plug in yourself. I don't like lamps. Don't ask me why, because I couldn't tell you. The wire's already attached. I like the ones that have got adapters like this. Oh, look at this. Fancy pants. Right, let's get this off. Look at this. Yeah, so it's got like a rose gold chrome. It's really nice. It's got a big display. And do you know something, guys? This is huge. Look. This is huge. And my fingers are not squished in there either. This is a big one. So the base comes off this one as well. Yeah, it does. Look at all them lights. Wow, right, let me get this plugged in. Right, I'm going to really struggle to show you the display on camera. Oh, you can just about see it. Right, so let's have a look at this. Oh, look, guys, it's got like a speedometer thing. Can you see it going round? Turn this light off, see if you can see it a bit better. Can you see that? Wow, right, so we've got 30 seconds. 30. Oh, and it even says 30. And if you press it again, it turns it off. 60. Press it again, it turns it off. 90. Right, so when it's on 30, it's just got this little line that goes around. Can you see it? It's got 3 dots. When it's on 60, it's got 6 dots that go side to side. 90, it's got all them, look. Wow, and then 120. Oh, I think this is the low heat mode. You know, for products that are prone to giving heat spikes. So 120 is counting up from 0. Cool. Right, I'm going to see if it's got an auto sensor. Yeah, it has. So it turns on and off when you put your hand in. And that counts up from 0 as well. That's good for if you just flash curing things, isn't it? Right, so we're quickly going to put it to the test. Let's just turn that off. So I've got 2 swatch sticks. I'm just going to quickly paint one black, one white. Because they are notoriously the hardest pain in the arse gel polishes to cure, aren't they? So we'll do a white and a black and see how it cures them. So I'm just going to use Madame Glam's Perfect Black and Perfect White. And I'm just going to give these just a normal even coat, like you would do if you was painting it on your nails. And these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, so we'll give them 30 seconds, see how they get on. Right, so I'm just going to hold these in the lamp. Let me turn that off so you can see it counting down. So I'm just going to give them 30 seconds. Can you see that counting down? I love this lamp. I'm well impressed. Right, I'm just going to move this out the way. I'm just going to wipe this tacky layer off and we'll see if it's cured then. Yeah, they're cured perfectly. No wrinkling. Nothing. Perfect. Look at them, guys. No wrinkling whatsoever. It's got all the edges, every last little bit. I really like it. I like the whole aesthetic of it. I like the look of it. I love this little bouncy thing it's got going on. I just love anything different, I do. The lights in it, yeah, the lights are a kind of purpley blue. I really like it. So yeah, that's the brand there, V3. I'll leave the link below. I get a lot of people asking me what lamp I use, and just recently the lamp I use, I can't find it anywhere anymore, so I can now put this in my description box, and when people ask me to, if I know of any good lamps, I can pass them on to this one, because yeah, I really like it. And it's big, guys. It's got a lot bigger opening than all the lamps I've had in the past. It's a good size one, which is good. You won't bump your hands putting it in and out. It is a big one. But yeah, I think I've covered everything. If I've missed anything, let me know and I will answer any questions you've got. But I really like it. I do. I really like it. You can feel the heat as well. As soon as you put your hand in, you can feel that heat. I love this display. I really do. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.